Suzanne was saying?
Huh?
All the fishing people should sleep on the other side. The people that don't wake up early sleep on this side. I agree.
I think that's a good plan. All right, let's go check out the inside. Okay. Barbecue grill. Yeah.
Joey never wakes up early. No sink.
Let's see.
It's just literally a toilet. The other bathroom is over here.
Open the other one. Let's see how the other one looks like.
The other bathroom is way bigger.
This one has a toilet but no sink.
This one has a shower in it.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and the shower on this side. Yeah.
What is this closet? It has chairs.
Let me see.
In there. It has chairs in it.
Chairs and tables.
3 chairs and a little table.
Okay, perfect.
Where are the pillows?
Oh.
I know. So we didn't bring pillow this time, Nine.
No, the pillows are here. It's right there.
Oh, it's in here. It's here. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, there are enough pillows. Oh, yeah.
Here's
Pillows are in
here's
here.
the kitchen.
Yeah, pillows are in here, Susan.
I'm just asking because you know you guys didn't bring any.
I know, because we're like, well, they always have pillows there. Let's just take a chance.
So Bea, bring this out to the garbage.
Oh, let me see the penthouse.
Okay. So,
Leaves two up there.
and so they fit me doing perfectly.
Here you go. I guess the kids got this penthouse. They really claimed it. That's dinner right there. Domino pizza.
Can you go get one of the?
Okay, here's the back side. Okay, let's go up and see. Hurry up, hurry up. They made it. – 6:30 right now, our first night. Didn't catch any fish today though. But still a beautiful day. Dạ, mà là mày sợ như quyền chứ quyền. Oh. My God. Bluegill. Oh, bass. Good dog, man. Rồi, bluegill hốt tàu vào. May 3rd, 3:41. This is our 3rd annual fishing tournament.
Shasta.
So here's the rule, okay? So you got it. Oh, so it has to be a keeper. The bass, it has to be at least 12 inch for us to weigh in. Okay? But bluegill, any size, right? You can keep, or catfish, any size. But the bass has to be at least 12 inch to be. And then we're gonna end on say 8 p.m. tomorrow night.
Do you want to fish until Sunday? Sunday morning.
noon.
Oh, my bad.
Saturday night.
What time do we officially end on Sunday then?
Sunday noon. Or 11.
But whenever we pack up to leave, which would be around what?
How about 11?
10.
Okay.
No, we should
Okay,
say
11.
11.
11. Everybody good?
Okay,
Sunday
11.
11
That'll give
a.m.
us time to clean up because
Hey, 11 a.m. with this watch. I'm not gonna change it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So it's official.
Okay.
May the best fisherman win.
Good luck, y'all. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good
Good
luck.
luck, man.
Alright.
Hey, dude, how come you didn't help Matthew out? You got your pole?
good, bro.
Đau hô nhô. Tata na thêm số. Hey. Aku, it's not mine. You got lucky. Bad. This one is 1.74. Mà mình tàu hô có lấy đấm sụt đỏ. Tú ta. Tú. Mình mua mua tiền đó nhá. Em xem ta cái. Tú. Em buông chân. Em phèn tí tiền, chỉ tí tiền. Ta tông đám tới đó là tiền. Oh man, don't play over there, bro. Matt, do you need help? You got it? What? Pretty fat? Hey, I think that's it, man.
Oh my gosh.
I should quit. Come to the back here. Tìm tàu hố tổ. Còn hố mà nhé mà. Mẹ tiêu nãy kêu chả Phúng. Good lord, dude.
Oh my gosh.
What you say? What you say? How many pounds would that be? Hey,
I have no idea.
Matthew, it's too early, man. I think you took it.
It's so
though.
early, Joey. It's so early.
I think you took it though, man. This guy is.
Oh my
fat.
goodness.
Oh man. Ooh.
2.39.
No,
Seven.
no.
7.
2.37. This sucker over.
Oh, that thing looking good.
Hey, that's the one to beat now.
That's the one.
Good job, bro.
Thanks.
You just put us all on notice.
Oh yeah.
Hey, get off, bro! Get off his picture. Come over here. Oh, it's the sun though, a little shade, maybe like that a little bit. Oh, you still got the shade. Don't matter. Yeah. Okay. Ready? All right. Ah! Nah, I don't feel nothing like you though, Matthew. Yeah, it's nothing like yours. Let's see how he look like. It doesn't feel like a 2 pound at all, man. Look at that baby.
Good. Doesn't look that tasty. It's small.
It's like his baby. Chém hãng anh thế à? Đúng lo Matthew nhé. 7:15. Fishing competition still on. So far Matthew's leading. Sue's doing barbecue tonight. It might rain sometime tonight. Dinner time. Nhìn lộc hoàn hàng lo. À mà na hiếu lại mà, mày số nó. Lại bữa à? Sao béo? Sao pizza, sama ya. And let's see what we got. Pepper. Ooh, biat tan cho pepper.
Pepper, hold you. It's spicy. Plus, it's fresh. It's freshly made. It's more spicy.
Damn. That's dinner. I think that fish is too small. Look at him. Look at him trying to take it. Oh, he can't even run. Woo! Oh! Did you see him go down? And I went up. Oh, yeah. I gotta get my fish net. Let's see what we got. Let's see how big is this fish.
But if it's bluegill or catfish, it isn't. What if it's a baby
Ooh,
catfish?
Oh, that's a decent size.
it's a decent size, but it's not Matthew's size. That's disappointing. Let's make sure it's 12 inches. Oh yeah, even at the split. Ooh, look at that. It's
Been down all the time. Then it came back up.
It's okay. I got him. He's trying to run. Huh? Oh yeah, it looked like it was a bluegill. Chúng ta đủ thôi là chúng ta 2 and 2.7 nó khá tốt. Oh, that one now he went for that one too. I know, he went for this one. Do I have time to eat, dude? I got some meat. Let me see. Yeah, it's that same bluegill. He let go of mine. He went to get this one. This is a pretty good size, man. Palm size bluegill. Man, if we having a bluegill competition, for sure I'm taking this. May 4th, Saturday morning at 7:25. Saturday afternoon. What's for lunch, boys?
We got some chicken wings.
Okay.
Some ribs, zucchinis, bell peppers.
Okay, yeah, it's starting to smell good too. It's probably that garlic stuff.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a rib right there.
Yeah, just some salt.
Get through here real quick. Giờ nhà tía. Ông mày dòm cho nàng nhiêu là. Hả? Thế nào? Nhẹ. Như này nhẹ mà nha. See how big is this guy? Oh, I think it's not a 2 pound. I can see him.
Oh, that's a bad one.
Is it?
It for sure isn't a bluegill.
That's a small one though. You ain't gotta worry. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's not even a pound, bro. Yeah. Own got one, I think. Own got a fish. Own got a baby bass. Mày tía tao nha tía.
It's Saturday at like 5:30 now, I think. Let's see. 5:45. It's been pretty much raining off and on all day. So some people are sleeping.
This the world record for the longest ever turned sea game.
6 a.m. last morning, Sunday morning. Let's see. Tu talo. Ni. Matthew was out. Cháo à? Matthew đã muốn tao tôm được. Nếu ta nó thì cháo nó hiền của nó mà luôn. Đây. Cô sẽ tìm tụt. Tạt rồi. Mà nè nó. No. Go, no. À, 1.49 ha. Ứng độ có mẹ tiêu nhẹ, lắm để dập thang cả thứ nữa. It's 9 a.m. Sunday morning. 2 more hours to fish before the tournament ends. Matthew got that big ass bass yesterday. 2.37. I just caught 1.5 pound. 2 more hours, and then Matthew might secure that win. We'll see how it goes.
Joe, you get any bites?
Dù lọ mà mắc phải đi đi cầm số nó được bớt sền nó uống phun đó cổ nó nhện quá nên là ông chủ nó đi cầm số rồi lo hăng nô nó mà cá two of them. This is what we call a competition mà cá nó bạt nó hiền nhiều nữa cá. Chủ mà ăn trên đó nó phun thủ. Chủ mà cái nó bớt sền nó hay chỗ nó mà cá. Look at that. Look here, Joey. This is how you fish right there. Look at that. It's just not a keeper.
It's 11:02. Fishing tournament is officially over. Say bye bye cho hồ bàm yeah. So for the second year in a row, Matthew won. Got
Nice.
how big was the fish?
2.37.
2.37, man. You caught that right away, huh?
Oh yeah.
And then it was like discouraging for all of us, man. We just didn't want to admit it.
It's the biggest bass I've seen out this lake.
I know. So the winner, the third annual fishing tournament is Matthew. All right, everybody, let's give him a hand.